sticker? Or?
Yeah.
Can I grab a hoodie? Am I allowed?
Where is it?
Right there.
You heard that? Yep.
So like they didn't look.
Please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications.
Thanks.
You got gloves?
Yeah.
Put them on.
Do you have anything that's going to stab, stick, or poke these officers?
Yes, I do. I have a red
On
knife.
you. On
Oh,
you.
on me? I have a nail.
Drop your hands up.
Sorry.
What do you got on you?
That's Danny, just so you know. I have in this pocket, I have a like a nail clipper.
Okay. Do you
Got
have
blood
any
on her hands,
needles?
that's why I want
I
them
don't.
on.
No.
Okay. I'm just asking. I'm just asking.
No, I don't. Can I put the hoodie?
Go ahead. Throw
It's
the hoodie
okay.
on.
I sort of like.
We're going to have a female officer search
Okay.
you once we get to the station better than this officer showing through, so.
Where's? Oh God.
Dylan, she is caught on her left hand, so just watch
Okay.
when you put
Honestly,
Easy.
probably when I was packing, I'm telling you, those things are sharp. There's a knife in the blue. It's mine.
Okay, don't worry about that. Just step out here,
Okay.
please. Face the wall.
Just be very careful.
Face away from me.
Like backwards.
Yep.
Oh
Put
my
your
God.
hands behind your back. Your palms touching.
Palms.
Palms. Palms touching together.
Do that.
I'm gonna watch
OMFG.
this cut, okay?
Hey, just a quick question. You get that out of the room.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I have really bad luck.
Two bags.
How's that?
I swear to God, I'm not gonna run nothing. I'm not gonna.
Okay, just want to make sure you're comfortable. That's all.
I appreciate
All right,
it.
what's in your pockets, ma'am?
So on this side, there's something sharp. It's a nail thing, like one of those nail scrapers, and it just poked me. So fair warning. It's a metal one, like from the Dollar Tree.
Okay.
So that's it. If you want, I can grab it for you. Swear to God, it's a
Yeah,
weapon.
grab it. Grab it, please.
Are you ready?
The other bag.
And a lighter. I'm gonna pull out both.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, boom. Merry Christmas.
I just wanted to double check everything.
Thank you.
And I have no idea. I think there's a charger in my left one. Can let him know what's going on.
Yeah, we'll figure it out, all right?
Okay.
Nothing else in there, right?
I don't know. All I know is that the sharp.
14 dispatch, clear my left. Right, 103, 10-4.
Okay, perfect.
Damn it. Should have charged my phone.
That's good.
All right, we're gonna bring all your bags with us too. Okay.
Just be careful. Because that guy, I know he had the machete and I saw him pack it. I don't know where it is. It is big. It is sharp.
We got one under out here. All right, listen, ma'am. Come back to the rear of this car for me, all right? Put her in the back seat. Yeah, I'll hold on to this.
We're gonna go through the other bags too.
Sounds good.
One second.
So nail scraper, she
That's
said.
probably for cleaning out a pipe.
So I take care of him. He's the one in the white car. Okay. I take care of him.
All right, ma'am. Have you take a seat here?
Do you want us to tell him that you're under arrest?
I do. If you could explain, because he's probably the only person reliable I do have out here.
Okay, that's fine.
Please, and very slowly, because. Oh my goodness gracious, that looks horrible.
All right.
Right.
Hey, you're gonna go through those.
Oh, I just tightened.
Go through those bags.
Okay, inside.
All right. Yep.
Okay.
With Whalen, all right. I'm gonna stay here with her.
Sorry, I didn't mean to peek.
What's that?
I said sorry, I didn't mean to peek. Where do people that get in trouble out here, like, where do they go? Like,
Mercer County Jail
Where's that?
or get released. Depends. I'm gonna be up there. Okay, I'll talk to you up there.
Alright.
Where are you from? Long Island? Sorry to hear that. You alright back here? I hear you moving around a little bit.
I squeezed them tighter.
He double locked them though.
What does that mean?
He
No.
locked them so they don't get tighter.
Oh, then I'm just an idiot and I didn't know how to turn my wrist.
Can you just lean forward for me, please, for a second? Okay. What? You got something on you that you're trying to hide right now?
No, sir. You can check me.
What are you trying to hide?
No, I'm uncomfortable.
What? I hear you
can
moving around
literally
back here.
all search me. I give you permission.
I'm not searching you right now, but step out of the car for me.
Absolutely.
What are you messing around with
No,
on you?
literally, I'm in pain. Look, I swear on everything.
What do you mean look? I
They
can't
double
look and
I'm
You got
just
locked in there?
uncomfortable on everything
They're
home.
loose. They're not even tight.
I promise y'all.
Okay. I'm gonna have her search you very well.
I promise
found-
you,
I
I'm not
found-
hiding shit.
Well, I found all the paraphernalia and stuff. Okay.
I figured you would. That's
So-
the reason I left the bed.
So there's clearly something, right? You're
No,
telling
I'm
you're
s-
telling me you have no other.
I have nothing on me.
Okay. She's
No.
gonna search you
That
very
is
well.
fine. I will literally stand right here the whole time.
Well, no, we're gonna do that.
I promise everything's
So-
good. I'm not that person. But I understand.
watch out, blood on the seat.
Yeah, my fingers.
Yeah, we know.
All right.
All right, get back in the car, please.
Wait, okay.
Yep.
There is a phone, isn't there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Got a full bag of like a bunch of drug paraphernalia and stuff.
Oh, yeah. I saw the machete. I think
Yeah,
it's fucking
machete
huge.
and then another knife. So
You charge her with
I think I have to talk to Sergeant
possession of
about it
unlawful,
first.
for unlawful purpose.
Yeah, I think so.
Like, what's the point of having a machete? I can't
No
see any-
purpose.
Yeah.
Even the other knife that she had there's no purpose to that knife. It doesn't fold. It's not a pocket knife.
Yep.
So, I'll go back to the station. You guys.
All right, thank you. That machete was huge.
103 section. 107. All units are clear, Motel 6.
Just let them know mileage. She got a female.
126 dispatch. I'll be transporting one adult female back to 30. Starting mileage is 24493.
1920. Got that, just let me know, okay?
Dispatch. Can you open up the port? Also, ending mileage is going to be 24498.
119 to 112. If you're at 30, would you mind swinging back to booking, please? Good job, Ron. Huh? What's that? I said good job. Hey, what's up?
I'm gonna start your.
All right, sounds goody. You got gloves, right? She's all
Yeah.
bloody and stuff.
She's bloody.
Yeah, she cut herself.
Sorry.
I'll grab.
Man, just be honest with us. What you got on you? I heard you moving around like
I
crazy.
assure you I don't.
All right?
I know she's gonna search me.
Okay, listen, I'm just
I
saying.
really don't. I got rings
Okay.
on. That's about it.
All right, that's good.
I promise.
Oh, you can follow me, man.
Okay, that's it.
I guess that's Spillman for now. All right, get that done first. Here's some of her stuff. Let's just keep that news, all right? Huh? I think so, yeah.